Enoch's eyes, wide with a sacred terror, mirrored the celestial chaos swirling above. He saw beings of light, the Watchers, abandon their heavenly posts, descending as living shadows with burning, relentless eyes. Their descent was not one of grace, but of rebellion. Silhouetted against a blood-red moon, they stood upon the mountain peaks, their ominous presence corrupting the very air. From their unholy union with humanity, the Nephilim were born, monstrous giants of shadow and flesh, their glowing eyes promising only violence and despair. Enoch trembled, his face a mask of horror as he witnessed the world consumed by their chaos. But then the vision shifted. He saw divine retribution, a world cleansed by flood and fire. His terror gave way to a profound, soul-shaking awe. As he fell to his knees, a final haunting image filled his mind. A single Nephilim, defiant against a sky of endless storm.